Here's Damion drinking water. He just finished having his dinner. Okay. Here you go. What is this? A napkin. Clean yourself up. Clean your mouth. Good. What about your hands? Clean your hands. Clean your hands. How do you clean your hands? Oh, you're cleaning your mouth. He learned that today. You cleaned it good? Clean your mouth. Clean your mouth. Go. Good, Damion. Yay, Damion. Okay, that's it. You want to keep on cleaning yourself? Yeah? Okay. It's time to give it to mommy, please. You gonna give it to mommy? Please? Thank you. Are you gonna let it go now? Hey, don't give attitude, little man. You wanna clean your mouth again? You wanna get off? Give me 5. Oh, you gave me the napkin. Thank you. What about give me 5? You did a good job. Give me 5. Yay, that's my big boy. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye. I'm not gonna say bye. Bye-bye.